full face of makeup using only high-end expensive makeup products that are actually worth your money. So if you ever plan to invest in some amazing high-end makeup products, these are the ones you need to get. You don't actually have to buy everything at once. Just save this video for later. You can just buy one by one. Starting off with your moisturizer, as usual, I'll tell you to buy Embryolisse. And you guys are going to thank me later for this. Then comes your primer. I would highly recommend to buy this Porefessional primer or Smashbox Photo Finish primer. So these two are the best blurring primers out there. Then comes your concealer or color corrector. So if you use that orange color corrector, I would recommend you to buy that Huda Beauty one. That one is amazing. But if you like that warmer shade of concealer, you can either buy Too Faced Born This Way concealer or Huda Beauty concealer. Like I've said this 100 times, but I'm going to say it again, that Too Faced concealer is the best concealer out there. For foundation, I would highly recommend to buy this Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation. So I like Giorgio Armani a lot in high-end category, but that one is very, very expensive. So don't buy that one like essay, your filter in a bottle. Also, I recommend this Dalba Spray Serum because it's so good to hydrate your face in the middle of your makeup. To highlight my face, I'm going to use this Huda Beauty concealer. Concealers wise, I would recommend these two brands. Then comes your contour product. So I don't have anything expensive that's worth your money. I have one contour stick, but not worth it. So I would recommend you to buy this e.l.f. liquid contour. I'm loving this one. Ever since I've got my hands on this one, I've stopped using my other contour products. It's like too good. For the blush, I like these Huda Beauty blushes a lot. Then if you'll ask me to recommend just one shade of Huda Beauty blush filter, then I would recommend you to get Strawberry Cream. Then comes the most important product, your loose powder. So your loose powder can make or break your makeup game completely. I recommend you to buy the Huda Beauty translucent powder. You know by now. Take it, rub it on the back of your hand, and then apply. Then comes your brow product. I would recommend you to buy this Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. Then comes your highlighter. So I feel that drugstore highlighters are the best ones. But if you want to spend some money, then you can get this MAC highlighter. Then comes your eyeshadow palette. I would recommend you to invest in your Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, or you can get Anastasia eyeshadow palettes. Then comes your eyeliner. Your Inglot gel eyeliner is the best one. And for your black kajal, I like this Huda Beauty kajal a lot. For the mascara, I like this Clinique one. Honestly, I don't like to spend so much money on a mascara, but if you want to. For your lip liners, I like Huda Beauty lip liner. For the liquid lipstick, this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick is the best. For your lip gloss, I really like Huda Beauty Faux Filler Lip Glosses. And for the setting spray, I'll recommend this Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. All done. Also, I forgot to recommend you one more product. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Compact Powder. This one is a great compact powder. That's it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think.